Hello, I'm Pьер ЭФТЕХАРИ. I'm the founder of Inoviem Sayyantifik and PIMS technology, two companies that are based in Strasbourg, France, the border of Germany. I'm sorry not being able to be with you today at the 85th anniversary of the KSMA. As you know, we are involved since 2022 together with the German and Swiss colleagues in the development of medicine and also research in Kyrgyzstan, very much concentrated at KSMA. So since 2022, we have, with the help and also involvement of KSMA and also the help of Professor Mаттиаса Брайдерта, established a laboratory which is called Kyrgyz-European Translational Medicine Laboratory that has got the aim to bring new approaches and also open the way for the cutting-edge medicine. I was seeing you all, or a part of you, in September during the conference, in International Conference on Oncology, and we were happy to share with you again our advances and technologies that we've been able to achieve together with KSMA. I will also thank Indira and also Gulmira, the management of the KSMA that had for the help, for the involvement, and eager to establish and build up a better future in medicine for both KSMA and also for the research in medical sciences. Thank you very much. See you soon. Bye.